how to start build a D2C brand from scratch in India?
So I think it depends on what categories we are looking at as well. I would say that, when you look at personal care, beauty, food, grocery, etc., there are a lot of brands which have already been there for years together in the market that have figured a lot of things out. Today, for you to come in as a new brand, you really need to have a product which will help you to differentiate. And it's no more just about the price, right? So there needs to be a differentiation on the product, or else you need to have a kind of a distribution strategy which is very, very different, which will help you to capture the market faster, right? So either of these two is something which will help, or else if bootstrap is the way to go for the brands, is what they're looking at, then it's better off to look at categories which are not as organized today, right? For example, home and kitchen, home furnishing, etc., where you don't see a lot of brands being built over a period of time. It's much better to launch there because the compliances from the government side, when it comes to FDA, when it comes to FSSAI, and the bunch of things, those are not quite there
Not
out
quite.
there. And at the same time, the challenges that a lot of fashion brands face with regards to inventory and the number of SKUs, size variations, etc., that also is not there. So looking at those unorganized categories which lack a lot of homegrown brands is an opportunity area. Otherwise, if you want to go for the typical BPC and food and etc., then it's really about having a differentiation either on the product or on the distribution strategy or both.
I think great point. I think someone also mentioned that you took saw a gap and actually tried to solve a problem rather than launching a more of a lifestyle product which was already there in the market.
Commerce has actually enabled us to have that growth potential unlock, because we were able to do it being a digital first brand and not have to go the offline route so soon, which has its own journey. And as a company DNA, you need to do a lot of things right for you to be able to achieve success in it.